Maraming mga foreigners nagtatanong bakit daw kakaiba ang mga Pilipino. Yan ang ating malalaman dito. Please po comment down below kayo, like and subscribe. Kung tunay kayong Pilipino, suportahan niyo po ako bilang isang Pilipino vlogger. Huwag na natin patatagalin. Ito na.
The only difference in Thailand and here is before I said Canadians were the nicest people.
Yeah,
Yeah, we're going to. The main thing is
it's too much to feed the woman.
no way.
And what do you think of the Filipino people?
Always happy, always smiling.
Hello, you beautiful people, and welcome back to Living Abroad. In today's
Always
video,
smiling.
I'm going to go on the streets of Cebu City, Philippines, ask some foreigners exactly why they think the Filipinos are number one in the world. So a lot of times in these videos, people always keep mentioning Filipinos being the best people in the world. I'm going to try to get some more detail as to why that is, and if they had any experience dealing with Filipino locals. Before I do that, guys, we're making our way slowly, crawling up to 100,000 subscribers. So if you're new to the channel, or you've been watching this for a while but haven't had a chance to subscribe, take a quick second, hit that subscribe button. I mean, you're sitting there anyways, right? Now let's get out there and talk to some people. Hi, what's your name?
I'm Sophie.
And yours?
I'm Marcus.
And where are you guys from?
We're from Denmark.
What brings you here to the Philippines?
We are travelers and we are backpacking at the moment for 8 months.
8 months. How long have you been here now?
Almost a month.
A month. Okay. I see you got your bags packed. Are you leaving somewhere now, or are you going back?
Yeah, we're going to around the airport area called Magdan.
Okay.
Mactan,
We're
Cebu.
going to stay there for a couple of days before we fly to Puerto Princesa.
Oh, very nice. So El Nido and Coron
Toy
area.
talaga, no?
It's beautiful there. It's really, really nice. Yeah, it's really nice.
Sayang nagbablog dapat sila, no? Kasi nagta-travel pala sila sa Pilipinas, ano? Cebu sila, tapos Puerto Princesa. Galing, ano? Maraming pera to.
Nice. Have you had a chance to speak to Filipino people?
Yeah,
Okay. I want to know your thoughts about Filipino people. What do you think of them?
they're very sweet and kind.
Okay.
Very open. Yeah.
Okay. Very nice. And what about yourself? Anything different?
I feel different. Yeah,
Okay.
very happy. Yeah.
Excellent. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Roderick.
And where are you from?
I'm originally from Buffalo, New York, but I live in Hawaii right now.
Oh.
Okay. And what brings you down here to the Philippines?
Man, just to get away from Hawaii and the high prices. You know, you can't beat the exchange rate here, and food is good.
Yeah.
People is pretty real friendly.
Okay. Tell me a little bit about the people. Have you had a chance to interact with any locals?
Yeah, I have basically some of the staff at the hotel and some of the people I met here. They are well mannered, well friendly,
Okay.
and real nice.
Yeah.
You know, easy to talk to. Don't have any hang-ups about anything like that. So
For sure. Do you ever feel like concern for your safety or anything around here? Anything?
no, it's pretty much. I read up on the area before I came here. And basically, pretty safe. The main thing is people here they basically speak English, even if it's broken English. They should communicate.
Yeah.
Not
Di
like
ba? Alam na? Basta sa Pilipinas, makaka-communicate sila ng maayos, ano? Kasi nga, every Filipino talagang second language natin ang English. Kaya madali lang talaga tayo makakapag-respond, no? Sa kanila. Dahil tayo nga kasi, kahit na konti lang ang mga English na alam natin, pero at least tayo ay nagsasalita ng English, no? Madali tayo makakaintindi talaga ng English. O, di ba? Madali daw, mabilis
Not
daw.
like some other country where you just don't know anything. Like take for like example Thailand. If you go in a province or the rural areas, you're done. You're sucking it.
I agree. So you've been to Thailand.
Oh yes.
Okay. Have you noticed any differences between the two countries so far during your stay?
I have. I've traveled all over Southeast Asia. You know, and I thought about retiring. You know, the only difference in Thailand and here is the country is built up more. And they have more medical facilities for you compared to here.
Yeah.
Because if you decide to retire here, you live out in the province, you might have a problem. You might have a problem if you're trying to
Yeah.
need medical assistance. Not like in Thailand, you have hospitals and everything all over.
Yeah. Well, hopefully none of us have to experience that anytime soon. So
Yeah. But it happens. It happens. You know.
you got to be prepared, I guess.
Yes.
All right, man. Thank you so much for your time. I
Hey,
appreciate
and
it.
appreciate you too. And tell everybody in Toronto I said hello.
Oh, we'll do.
And everybody, hopefully I get a chance to see the Care Banner
Okay, yeah, of
this year.
course. Every year. Right?
Every year, you know.
Except for the COVID time, so we don't
Yeah.
really know how that's going,
Yeah.
right? So, okay, you're a Bills fan?
Always, 100%. 100%.
When are they going to win the championship?
This year.
This year. All right, got you.
right.
Let's go. She's wiggling for you, my man. All right. Thank you so much for your time. Appreciate it. Hi, what's your name?
My name's John.
And where are you from?
I'm from Tasmania.
Tasmania. I thought that was a cartoon, no?
We've got a cartoon character, the Tassie Devil, with, yeah.
It's a real place.
It is, yep, just below Australia.
Amazing. No, I'm just kidding. Of course, Tasmania sounds wonderful. What brings you down here to the Philippines?
Just a holiday, just
Yeah.
a bit of a relaxation, and yeah.
Sure. How long have you been here?
I've been here a week. So far, it's been great.
It's been great. I love to know.
Thoroughly
What do you
enjoyed
like so far in a week?
The people are amazing. Always happy, always smiling, always willing to do something for you.
Always
Yeah,
happy,
they're perfect.
always
Yeah.
smiling.
Okay, and how many more days are you going to be here?
I'm here for another 10 days, so thoroughly looking forward to it.
So we're in Cebu now. Do you plan to visit any other islands or anywhere else, or just Cebu?
No, just Cebu. I've done a few tours and whatnot, and thoroughly enjoyed them. Especially the canyoneering and the whale sharks were great. But yeah, I'm just here to soak up a bit of sun and just relax.
Okay. Have you had any chance to try Filipino food?
I have, yeah.
Yeah. What do you think of
A
it?
bit different,
Yeah.
but yeah, easy to. It's very nice. Yeah, very nice.
Is this a place you can see yourself living or retiring?
Oh, definitely.
Sabi niya, very nice. No, para akala mo hindi mo maintindihan, pero very nice. No, very nice.
Oh, definitely. Yeah, come retirement age and yeah, settle down with a nice
British,
girl and
British.
yeah, the climate's yeah.
I was gonna say how's the climate? It's pretty humid here, but I guess you must be used to it.
Well, Tassie's a fair bit colder than here at the moment, so it took me a few days to sort of acclimatise, but yeah, easy to get used to.
Thank you so much for your time.
No worries. You have a good day.
Hi, what's your name?
Mattia,
Where are you from?
Italy.
Italy. And why are you in the Philippines?
Because in Italy it's too much to feed the woman. It's very too much difficult.
Yeah.
And
Tumakas ka sa, ano mo siguro, no, sa shota mo. Kasi grabe, no? Tumakas siguro ito.
and
Too much
very
to feed the woman.
complicated.
Yeah.
I hope it's easy here. I don't know.
Okay. So are you here to meet a friend, a girlfriend, a woman? Are you here by yourself?
I mean, stay alone now, and I search a woman in the Philippines.
And how long have you been here?
2 months.
You've been in the Philippines for 2
2
months. Did you talk to many Filipino people? What do you think of the Filipino people?
But for now, I think I'm friendly.
Yeah.
Want to speak. So I think it's good. It's very quiet.
Yeah.
It's soft. No, it's good. The
Okay.
people.
Awesome. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Hi, what's your name?
My name's Robbie.
Mahirap sa
Where are you
English,
from?
no? Italy.
I'm Atlanta, Georgia.
And what brings you down
Georgia.
here to the Philippines?
Bit of holiday and maybe even to retire here.
How do you like the
Expat,
rain so
ano?
far? Rainy season, right?
Expat.
It comes and goes,
Yeah,
you know.
for sure. How long have you been here?
About a month.
What are your thoughts about the Philippines? What do you like the most in a month?
I like the people.
Yeah.
Probably the friendliest people in the world.
I was going to ask about the people next, but I'm glad you mentioned
Narinig
it.
nyo, the most friendliest people in the world, no? Pilipino, ano na kami, kumbaga sadyang ganyan na ang ugali ng mga Pilipino, yung attitude ng mga Pilipino, talagang friendly talaga, no? Welcome ka talaga sa Pilipinas, hindi ka mawawala. Dahil nga mababa ang loob ng mga Pilipino kahit sa anong larangan. Ang mga Pilipino talaga ay marunong makikipagkapwa-tao, no? Diba? Ganun talaga ang mga Pilipino. Natural na yan.
Mentioned it. Is there anything specific? Everybody keeps saying the people are the best.
Well, there. I never thought, because before I said Canadians were the nicest people in the
Yeah.
world. I'll just use this. I'm a runner, and obviously I'm here to run a race. And then after the rain, the streets here, I get kind of slick.
Yeah.
I took off a spill.
Oh, no.
I don't know anybody. Yeah, all types of people ran over to check on me. I was fine, but all types of people checked on me.
Yeah. That's amazing. Incredible, right? A lot of
Yeah.
time in the West, people might just walk by.
Atlanta, I got hit by a car
Yeah.
on a sidewalk.
Wow.
Nobody checked on me.
Nobody cares. Huh? Yeah, no, it's very different over here. Like,
Talaga totoo yan, no? Pag sa ibang bansa talaga wala silang pakialam sa'yo kung kahit ano nang mangyari sa'yo. Siguro kung may nangyari na sa'yo, pababayaan ka lang, titignan ka lang. Pero dito sa Pilipinas, may care ang lahat ng Pilipino sa'yo. Kung lalo ka na, kung isa kang turista, may care talagang tao.
over here, like Canadians are known to be nice, but usually you have to spark a conversation or something. I find in the Philippines, a lot of people take the initiative by smiling or saying hello.
Oh yeah, they smile all the time.
Smile talaga.
To say hello, it's just brilliant.
Okay, now you mentioned about maybe possibly retiring here. Do you have any specific locations in mind? Have you been anywhere?
That's my hard part because I would like to check out like the bow. Ilo maybe.
Yeah.
I've been told that. I was talking about the name of it. Palawan, I heard is
Beautiful there, yeah, for sure.
But there's so many places I don't want to. I could live in Cebu,
Yeah.
but Manila's way too crowded.
I've only been to like BGC for a few days, so I'm not very experienced about Manila.
But it's, I don't know, Toronto on steroids.
Yeah, another major city that's like busy, right?
But crazy traffic.
I hear it's like some of the worst in the world, Manila traffic. So.
Well, yeah. You know, I thought about getting a scooter here.
Yeah, might be risky, right?
In Manila, no way.
All right, now, do you have any concerns about health insurance? How do you like stay up to date with that stuff in case something does happen?
Well, I have traveler's insurance.
Okay.
I mean, that's a smart thing to do.
What about your like relationship status? Are you seeing people? Are you single?
I'm single. Honestly, for me, just because I don't know if you're familiar with Philippine laws.
I'm not really familiar, but maybe you can help us all out. You don't really know too much, so.
For me, if I'm going to stay here, I get everything before.
Wow.
Because the lot's really built for the Philippines.
I see it.
So if, from what I hear, they all want to move in with you and all that. Once you move in, anything you acquire, I don't know the time frame.
Yeah.
It's kind of like they get part of it.
Okay.
So if you're going to buy a condo, you buy the condo before.
Gotcha. So buy everything before your relationship, just in case it doesn't go well.
Even if you get a scooter,
Yeah.
it's after.
Okay.
And she's, I don't know the time frame, but that's the kind of stuff.
Okay. Excellent.
But do I think that's going to happen?
That happens everywhere, right?
Yeah.
Canada.
But I think, But I think people,
Hindi na yan imposible sa mga foreigners na makapag-asawa ng mga Pilipino na bata pa. Kasi, syempre may mga Pilipina din naman na gusto nilang makapaglahi sila ng mga foreigners. Kaya hindi mahirap para sa mga katulad niya na single, na maghahanap ng Pilipina na wife at mag-aalaga sa kanya, lalong-lalo na mga Pilipina talaga ay talagang maalaga yan. Napakaswerte niya na makapili siya ng Pilipina dito sa Pilipinas at makapag-asawa. Basta alagaan niya lang. Kasi nandito siya sa Pilipinas. Ang laking bagay nun kasi nga, pagka yung Pilipina din na makapag-asawa ng foreigner, syempre kahit paano malahian din sila ng mga Amerikano na ibang kulay. Maging tawag dito, magmimix na syempre mga lahi. At siya, dito na rin siya dahil syempre may anak siya doon. Magtatagal talaga siya kasi parang ayaw niyo na rin sa bansa nila, di ba? Sa Amerika parang ayaw na. Marami na kasi nagsisilik alisan. At dito na ang iba sa Pilipinas talaga. Dito kasi meron doon silang katahimikan, meron sa katahimikan. Yun ang nahanap nila katahimikan, tsaka murang bilihin, para sa kanila.
to just be aware.
Definitely.
I mean, it's just like it's just like any place else in the world.
Yeah. Got it. All right. Well, thank you so much for your time. You're very informative and helpful.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hi. What's your name?
Scott,
Scott. Where are you from?
Australia.
What brings you here to the Philippines?
I just come for a bit of a look around, see what's happening.
Are you working right now? Are you retired back home? What do you do?
I work back home. I'm an earth mover and have a cattle property.
Cattle farm. Must be a lot of hard work.
Oh, yeah, it's pretty full on.
Okay. I would love to know about your experience in the Philippines. What do you like about it so far?
Ayan.
I really like it. Yeah.
Really
Just
like it.
going around seeing things, trying to get in how the people live.
Yeah. Speaking of the people, have you had a chance to interact with any locals, Filipinos?
Yeah.
What do you think of the Filipino people?
Oh, they're just wonderful. It's quite surprising. Yeah.
Is this a place you can see yourself retiring, perhaps?
Yeah.
Yeah. How's the
good.
cost of living here compared to Australia?
It's like cheaper, a lot cheaper.
Your money goes a lot further, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it.
Diba yung sinasabi ko, pagka may dollar kang dala dito sa Pilipinas, lalo na kung marami-rami, at talagang gusto mo talagang tumagal sa Pilipinas, yung pera nila, ang daming mapupuntahan sa Pilipinas kasi mura lang ang mga bilihin, di ba? Mga pamasahe, kahit saan, pwede kang mas sumakay kahit anong mga sakyan, malaki talaga. Sabi nga, di ba? Malayo ang mararating mo doon sa pera mo dito sa Pilipinas. Kaya dollar yun
Good on you, mate.
And that's it, guys. I would love to know your thoughts. Leave your comments down below. Let me know whose answer surprised you the most or anything you want to share if you had a chance to speak
Diba?
to some Filipino.
At hanggang dito na lang. Sana po comment down below kayo ng masasabi nyo kasi mga foreigner na mismo nagsabi na mas maganda dito daw talaga sa Pilipinas kaysa sa ibang Southeast Asia. Kasi dito mga tao ay marurunong mag-English at friendly. Yun ang kanilang mga pinagsasabihan. Kaya tayo rin naman ay alam naman natin yan. Kaya Please comment down below kayo, like and subscribe sa ating channel. Ito po ang Wow Philippines.